Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I want to teach you how I was able to cut out my two-step flay. I'm going to be cutting out two-step flay. I'm going to turn it into a skirt. I'm going to show you with the how I was able to also join it, but this tutorial will be for the cutting aspect alone. So for this one, first of all I want to determine the my back and front, and this has been one of my problems ever since I was even an apprentice, determine back and front. So but as time goes on, I think I was able to start practicing how to draft at the back and front. So guys, I want to first of all show you how I was able to fold it. I fold it like this. Let me check out the back again. Okay, so this is the back. So I'm going to fold it into two like this, something like this. Then after I'm done, I'm going to also fold it like this. So this is how I'm going to be cutting out the flay. So one is going to be longer than the other one, as we all know. I've done tutorial like this, but I did only the cutting, and I'm using drafting paper for that. So but this one I'm going to be using direct on papers. So now I'm going to determine my waist measurement. Let me check what I use for this one. Okay. Okay, so now I don't want it to be really that long, because this is just a and a illustration anyway, a rough sketch illustration. So let me say for this one I'm going to be using 5 inches for it. I'm going to draft out 5 inches here. I'll come to the middle line, I'll draft out another 5 inches, and I'm going to put it a line, then I'll connect it to that line. Then I'll come to the tip of it again, and I'm going to drag out my 5 inches as you see me doing. So I'm going to still connect it everything to that line in order to give me the full cycle that I wanted. So this is how to draft it out direct on your fabric. Okay, so now I want to cut out the second flay, but definitely because we are managing the material now, so the second flay must definitely have a joining together. So what I do is that I measure exactly the waistline for the first day. As for the first flay, you saw that I placed it on it, but I gave some extra allowance because for the joining, because I must join one side together, because now it cannot be as flay as this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the full, because it cannot be as long as this one has to be short, one has to be long. So for this one I'm going to be using 3 inches for it. Oh. Okay, so I've gotten it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly cut it out. Yeah, so you see what I'm talking about. It must have a joining. I said it must have a joining. So that's why I gave it excess allowance. So I'm going to be joining it here. So this is the easy way you can actually get your two-step flay. So I'm going to be placing it. Now I'm going to be cutting out the band. The band is going to be small actually. So I didn't cut the band. I actually waited. Let me join the skirt first. But because of time, I couldn't, start joining it. So watch out for the part 2 for the sewing processes. Thank you for watching to the end. Have a wonderful day. Bye.